In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Shopify theme in just 5 minutes. Updating your Shopify theme can be a fantastic way to refresh your store's look and feel, and it's easier than you might think. So, let's get started. First, head over to the Shopify website and log in to your Shopify admin panel. If you're not familiar with this step, make sure you have your credentials at the ready, as you'll need to enter them to access your store's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Once you're in the admin panel, look for the Sales Channel menu on the left side of the screen. Under this menu, you'll see an option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to the section where you can manage all things related to your storefront, including theme choices and customizations. The next step is to select Themes from the drop-down menu. This is where all your current theme settings and options live. Once you're on the Themes page, you'll be able to see any themes you've previously worked with and installed. But today, we're interested in exploring something new. Scroll down the page to find a collection of popular free themes. Shopify offers a wide variety of these themes that cater to different aesthetics and business needs. Take some time to browse through them, and don't hesitate to explore how each theme might change the visual dynamics of your store. Keep in mind that the right theme should not only appeal visually, but also align with your brand's identity and the user experience you want to offer. Once you've found a theme that speaks to you, click the Add button associated with it. This action will add the theme to your theme library, but it won't automatically apply it to your online store. If everything looks good and you're ready to make it live, you can proceed by clicking Publish. This will apply the theme to your store, so it's worth taking a moment before you do this step to ensure you've made the right choice. You can preview the theme one last time and check that it displays your products and content in a manner that matches your expectations. Remember, once a theme is published, it's the first impression customers will have of your shop, so it pays to be doubly sure everything is what you envisioned. And that's it. In less time than it takes to enjoy a coffee, you've successfully updated your Shopify theme. Congratulations on refreshing your online store's appearance. You can further tweak your new theme by exploring theme settings for a more customized approach. Happy selling!